Hi, Graham.
The birthday party was 97, wasn't it?
Well, this is for today. She's doing
I'm just recording this right now.
Oh, yeah.
See if it comes out. Okay. Dad. Okay, it's on.
Okay, you're on. Well,
Well, okay. It was a nice party for Pat and Eric and Larry in 1998. A birthday party.
Yeah, and Mom
we
made
had
the cake.
fun.
We did, and Mom made the cake.
And I have laryngitis,
Yeah, for how many weeks now?
about 3,
3 weeks.
but we've had a good time.
Yeah. And Dad made the cake, the pizza.
I made pizza.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, and we're gonna just see if we can. We got our new computer today too, so I want to get something of that.
Okay.